also do some wine bags, and we can do some Christmas series. And for this, you can put your gifts inside the bag and give your friends some gifts. This can make your gifts very secret, and your friends, when they take this gift, they will get one surprise. And here you can see these are also very beautiful designs, and all the printing are done by ourselves. We have our own printing department. We have our own printing machine. And here some other felt bag with some different logo making way. And here we can do some zipper bags in a set, and large one, medium one, and small one. This is the pocket. So you can take this bag as a set to go a trip, to go traveling, and you may take all of your things along with you very easily. And we can also do this bag in a special shape. This can help you to take large many things, because this capacity is very large. And on the top we have some plastic tube inside the piping, so this can hold the bag with a very good shape and hold this top very well. And we can also can do some cotton bags, and all the cotton bags can do with different colors, and this can be do with different printing color. And here this is the flocking bag. The flocking material recently is very popular because it is very soft, and this material is sometimes used for some clothes, so it can be washed by water, and this is very soft. So the kids, if they take things, go to school, it's very suitable. And some mothers or female can take this bag as their own women bag and go around the street. It is very fashionable. And we can also do some cotton bags with some different styles. We can do head bag, tote bag, and also shoulder bag. And for this one, we can also do some reflective bags. And the reflective bags, you know, the material, reflective material, it can get lightening if you take it into the dark area. As you can see for this one, this is a little shining. It is lightening when you go around the dark street. So it gets lightening, and it will help you to be visible for others, and then the cars, the drivers can see you, and so it is make you safe when you go around the dark street. And here you can see you can also do some plush bags. This plush bags is also very reasonable in some European markets. So we helped to develop some items. So if you are interested in these bags, you can feel free to let us know. And here, as you can see, even for different materials, we can also help you to make it in a series, because they are a similar printing design. And for this is polyester material, and this is cotton material. And for the polyester bag, it is also foldable. So when it is folded, the bag will become into a pocket. And this, you can take this one very easily. Even you can put it into your pocket and go to the supermarket. If you want to carry something, you can get this pocket out and open it, and then this bag will be like this, and you can carry some things that you buy from the market. And here, as you can see, we can also do some mesh bags. And for these mesh bags, as you can see, the things inside the bag is visible, so you will be aware that what you have bought and what you have got. And this can use it to carry some vegetables and fruits. And if this bag is get dirty, you can clean it by water, so it is used very easily. And if it is get dirty, you can clean it directly with water, so it will get clean again, and you can use it again and again. And here, as you can see, we can also do some cotton bags with some different printing. For these bags, you see, we can do silk screen printing, UV printing, and also sometimes sublimation printing. As you can see, for this cotton bag, we can also do printing. Your logo printed on the handle, the webbing handle. And if you want to print it, you can tell us. We can help you to make this design on your handle. And at that one, you can see we can do some beautiful, colorful designs. So all the cotton bags, we can do sublimation printing and UV printing, and also heat transfer and silk screen printing. So after I have introduced the bags inside our showroom, hope you have a good idea of our bag production range. So if you have any inquiries, just tell us and we will help you to give you some professional advice.
Thank you.